The history of pickle making in Fولنگ district, southwest China's Chongqing municipality, dates back more than 150 years. The district's traditional method of producing preserved master tubers was listed as a state-level intangible cultural heritage in 2008. As a popular snack on many Chinese people's dinner tables, the pickled master tubers have been accepted by more foreigners in recent years. And thanks to the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, the world's biggest free trade pact that took effect in 2022, the pickle's export volume to Japan, South Korea, and Southeast Asian countries has increased.
2022年日本的榨菜是出口了3000吨左右。RCEP 协定签订以后，我们从日本和韩国2个国家的市场，每年的销售收入和销售量是增长了10%左右。我们接下来也会开发澳大利亚市场和印度尼西亚市场，因为这个协定签订以后，对我们企业是有很大的好处的，包括我们的进口的国家的客户，他们的关税也会逐年紧致到零关税。
For Zhou's company, in the first 9 months of this year, it exported 50 million yuan worth of the pickled master tubers to other RCEP member states, year-on-year growth of 5%. The products valued at 20 million yuan were exported to Japan, up 6% year-on-year. After 8 years of negotiations, the RCEP agreement was signed in November 2020 by 15 Asia-Pacific countries and is now in effect for all members.